Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Chika Elpidia from 12 PMPC. In here, I would like to presenting my on-the-job training report at PPSDM Migas Cepu on May 3rd to June 30, 2021. Let's begin by company profile of PPSDM Migas Cepu. PPSDM Migas Cepu located in Jalan Sorogo number 1, Kampung Baru, Karangboyo, Cepu, Blora, Central Java. PPSDM Migas Cepu is an instant agency under the development of human resources, energy, and mineral resources with the task of developing human resources in oil and gas. PPSDM Migas Cepu directly responsible for ESDM Minister. PPSDM Migas Cepu has become a certification training center for 100 people. In here, also accepting student job training in order to help students learn about industrial work. Here is the point of material. First, calibration of pressure gauge and level transmitter. I will discuss about what is calibration of pressure gauge. Calibration is the procedure of comparing a reference with a known error margin against a device under test. Calibration of pressure gauge is device to measure pressure in industrial refinery instrument. If the device doesn't match the reference, then we adjust it to match, or at least come close the desired measuring accuracy. There are three calibration adjustments: measuring range, 0 point, and intermediate values. Next, how do you do pressure gauge calibration? This is the step of calibration. First, note down the test point, example 25%, 50%, or 75%. Second, fix master gauge and unit under calibration on gauge comparator. Third, do the preloading, apply the full scale pressure to test gauge and wait until the pressure to 0. Next, observe the reading of UUC and master gauge on all the test points. After that, wait before taking observation about 30 seconds in order to stabilize the pressure. Last, calculate the measurement and final result based on observation. Next, this is a process of calibration a pressure gauge. Okay, this is gauge under test. This oil file camber. This is oil reservoir, valve, weight, primary piston of area, and screw pump or adjusting piston. So put this oil in here and then stabilize between oil reservoir and weight. And then you can see at gauge under test and calculate the measurement. Let's move to what is level transmitter. Level transmitter is the mechanical device that moves in conjunction with the level of the liquid medium. The movement of the fluid indicates the level and can actuate a switch or create an output signal. A differential pressure transmitter calculates level by measuring the differential pressure between the liquid and the gaseous phase of the fluid inside a closed tank. The level transmitter is used to measure levels as an instrumental measurement. This quantity is multiplied by a density variable to get the correct level measurement. Next, how do you test the level transmitter? This is the step of test the level transmitter. First, set up the guide wave radar level transmitter, hard communicator, power supply, and the multimeter as below. Second, check the configuration of the lower range value 0% level 4 MA and high range value 100% level 20 MA. Make sure that the input data is a per data sheet. Third, fill the level transmitter camber with the water up to 0% level. Let's record and see the number that read in the pressure PSI. Next, process of level transmitter. This is the process of level transmitter. It is closed tank level measurement using DP transmitter. It is HP and LP and this control room. So this is the DP level transmitter, low side of DP cell, high side of DP cell. And put the water in tank and you can pressure it into the control room. You can use the high side of DP cell or low side of DP cell. Okay, this is conclusion. Based on the point of material, the conclusion is: first, calibrate pressure gauge. The condition is not good or does not meet the standard seen from the calibration result, which show a small errors value between the measurement up and down, but the calibration results are not correct or with the weight used for calibration. Last, the possibility of human error is very large, seeing that the DVT calibration tool and pressure gauge use still on human vision. Is there any question? I will answer the question after the presentation. If you want to ask, you can put your question in comment and I will answer it. Okay, this is the presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.